Hey, so here we are. We have a situation where we have a basement that has water in it, and customer called us out, and it turns out that we have to replace the sump pump. So here's my guy. He's going to go down the stairs, and you'll be able to see the water in the basement. Unfortunately, the customer had lost a lot because of this water. You can see all the storage boxes that he has is just totally saturated, paperwork and what have you. It's important that you keep your sump pump running smooth. Give us a call. We can take a look at it, make sure it's running properly. If a sump pump is over 10 years old, unless it's a high-end sump pump, you should replace it, bottom line. We do offer the Zoller brand sump pumps. So if you're looking for a sump pump, you can give us a call and we'll be happy to put that in for you. Our prices are pretty good. We offer different quality grade sump pumps. If your budget is such that you can't afford a good sump pump, we can get you a sump pump that'll get you by 2-3 years, and then you can save money for a good sump pump. So here we are pumping that basement out after putting a new sump pump on, and there it is. The basement is dry. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.